So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to share with you that how you can create a cluster and start with the Databricks by creating the notebook. Okay, let's start with the cluster creation. So yes, you can just click on this compute, and yes, cluster is required to run your notebook. So here we have the two options. One is all purpose compute and another is job compute. Okay, just to create, you can create it with the help of this create compute option inside the compute, or you can just go ahead with go to the workspace. Okay, so I will share with you this as well. So we can go to the workspace. Okay, here we can create a notebook at our required path. Let me create it in shared location. Okay, to create a notebook, we can create it. We can just click on the create, and here we get the option. If we click on the notebook, yes, our notebook is created. Now I am just giving it as name as a first notebook. Now, if I try to print something like print first notebook, okay. So if I can execute, to execute, I can just click on this option or logo. So yes, if I click here, it will, yes, it will ask me to create a cluster. Your notebook must be attached to the compute resource, okay, to execute the command. So for that, we need to create a compute. So you can create using this method or you can create using the compute. Anyone is fine. So let me create, so click on create and attach run. So it will take some time. So let's wait for some time. Our my compute is available, my cluster which we have created, and if you can see now we are able to get the result, right? First notebook. So let me try with something like 2 plus 2 I'm trying to create, and if I'm executing we are expecting it is a 4. Yes, so now our compute is available and we learn about how we can create the first notebook. Yes, thank you guys, hope you like it. Please likes, comment and share with others. Thank you, thanks for watching.